Hello student, this is Ashish Tripathi from Mount Itaji School, Jhansi. Uh, how are you? I think all of you are fine, sanitized and safe. Become a corona warrior or COVID-19 warrior by staying safe there at your home, telling your family members that they should be sanitized for each and every time. Okay, and sanitize your home also as soon as possible. Now we'll talk about the variable definitions. Variable. Do you know what is a variable? It is a variable is the variable is a character in which we are storing the value. A variable is not created until some value is assigned to it. For example, in Python there is a problem. In other language we have to define the what type. We have to define first what type of the variable is going to hold the value, but in Python you can directly give the value and Python will automatically decide what type of the value it is. For example, if you are writing x equal to 20, so in Java and C++ you have to write integer x equal to 20, but in Python you will writing x equal to 20, then it will decide it is an integer type variable. Again you are giving x y equal to inverted comma sum, that means Python will decide it is a string value. So variable definition is very much clear in the Python. A variable is defined only when you assign some value to it. Using an undefined variable in an expression statement cause an error called name error. अगर in case आपने किसी variable में values नहीं दी तो वो आपको name error दे देगा. See, another second thing is dynamic typing. For example, you have giving x equal to 10. A variable dynamic typing means a variable pointing to a value of a certain type can be made to point to a value object of different type. This is called dynamic typing. Means if you are giving x equal to 10 print x, it will print integer type value. Now again you are giving x equal to hello world, print x, it will be accepted in Python. That is dynamic typing. Means in the same variable and on different time you can give the different values. Means एक ही variable में integer भी रख दो, float भी रख दो और क्या नाम है आपकी स्ट्रिंग भी रख दो. लेकिन अगर आप इन पे कोई ऑपरेटर लगाते हो तो स्ट्रिंग पर नो ऑपरेटर विल बी वर्क. इंटीजर पे द ऑपरेटर विल वर्क बट इन स्ट्रिंग नो ऑपरेटर विल. सो व्हाट इज डायनेमिक टाइपिंग? डायनेमिक टाइपिंग मींस वन इफ यू आर डिफाइनिंग अ वेरिएबल एंड यू आर गिविंग द वैल्यू 10, तो इट विल एक्सेप्ट द वैल्यू. अगेन you are giving x a equal to 10 and then printing a equal to Ashish, it will print Ashish. That means once it has taken integer value and another one it has taken the string value. That is possible in the Python also. Now dynamic typing is different from static typing. In static typing data type is attached with a variable when it is defined. जैसे कि other language में होता है integer x equal to 10. Now you can't change the value. But in Python you are Python dynamic due to the dynamic typing it is possible. Now the next one is how to input the value. To input the value it is possible. We can write there age equal to input what is your age. Here you can input the string value or integer string. You can input both the type value string or integers. But if we are writing age equal to int input what is your age, that in it is a specific. That means it is a specific. We are giving only the integer value in it. That means it is a specific, means we are giving only the integer type value. Now other thing is that some errors are there. You are writing age equal to int pointer age, it will accept percent float, it will enter percentage. But what is your age? 17.5. But if you are writing what is your age? 17.5, it will accept. But if you are writing what is your age और उसके बाद आप लिखते हैं inverted comma में SEVENTEEN, it will not accept because you have already specified here it is the value of int or float. It can accept 17, but it will not accept 17.5 and it will not accept the inverted comma में 17. फ्लोट टाइप में तो इंटीजर भी एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा, फ्लोट भी, डबल भी, बट स्ट्रिंग इट विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड. नाउ सिमिलरली इन द केस ऑफ द print hello, print 17.5, print 3.1.5 into I mean using print we can print and we can also give the calculation. Feature of print statement, print my value is बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं. a print function without any value, और प्रिंट फंक्शन के साथ ये है कि आप उसे प्रिंट फंक्शन विदाउट एनी वैल्यूज और नेम और एक्सप्रेशन, प्रिंट इज अ ब्लैंक लाइन, ब्लैंक लाइन भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में डाल दो, कॉमास लगा के बहुत सारी वैल्यूज प्रिंट कर सकते हो। प्रिंट फंक्शन में कैलकुलेशन भी दिया जा सकता है, प्रिंट फंक्शन में a इक्वल टू b इक्वल टू, ये सारी वैल्यूज इन प्रिंट फंक्शन के अंदर दी जा सकती है। सो यूजिंग Python fundamental chapter, this is my second video in which I have given the use of the different types of variables and what is dynamic typing and so on. So from this chapter we have done the programming. My next video I will give some output and error question regarding that, or the programming based on data. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.